Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of freezing on the application of Slack. You will click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Slack and you will enter here. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can cause you errors or can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.